Go. There you go, right? Just go real slow, Kev, real slow. So Kevin and I just arrived at Barnwell Mountain. It is 9 o'clock at night. Of course, we're going night wheeling immediately. We are actually at the Big Paw Crawl event, which is a charity event that helps support the American Cancer Society. We figured while we were in Texas, we might as well come out, show our support. And of course, the first thing we do is meet up with a bunch of buggies, and we're gonna go night wheeling.
Yeah, we're going night wheeling.
What else do we do?
We're going night wheeling with buggies. I don't know, maybe you can
They
see
said
Easy.
we were gonna go onto easy trails.
But they're buggies.
So we'll see what that means.
Yeah.
So these are the guys we're following. We got one. We got two. Oh God. Oh, here you go. There's another one.
So they said easy trails. That's what we're doing.
Sure. Why not? Which one is this?
I don't know.
Well, they said easy
That's
trails.
A 4 down.
4 out of 5, isn't it?
It's a 4 out of 5.
Easy trails, my ass. Shake, rattle, and roll. 4 diamond on the way down. Woo. Oh my God, that's...
The easy way's to the left.
Oh.
Yeah, left is easy.
There's a big tree right there. I don't know about this, guys. I wasn't expecting to start our night out this way. There you go, yeah. Oh God. So you can, oh God. All right. Go, there you go, right? Just go real slow, Kev, real slow. I know. Here it comes. All right, your driver's side's coming down about 2.5 feet right now. There you go. There's a tree there. Cut, driver. Perfect, all right. Oh, straighten out a little, Straighten. There you go, perfect. Just go straight, nice and easy. Your back's coming down. Hold on one sec. There you go. Turn passenger a little bit. There you go, right there. No, it wasn't bad as I thought either. We've never come down this way.
I've never come down it.
Yeah.
That was awesome. That wasn't bad at all.
No, and the Jeep did well. So how was that inside the vehicle?
Oh, it was awesome. I felt like I wasn't even going down anything.
Stable,
A crazy
right?
drop. It's super stable.
Well, then
I
some of these
was
other ones.
actually afraid, and you looked afraid.
Oh yeah, I looked at
And-
we've never gone down shake, rattle, and roll.
No.
When we had the Land Cruiser, we always went up it.
I was afraid, and as soon as you were like, "There's a 2-foot drop, 2.5-foot drop," I went down it. Didn't even feel the 2.5-foot drop. And night wheeling's always harder. That was a 4 out of 5 diamond, and we just went down it.
That's so rad. So I don't know how, but now we're going back up shake, rattle, and roll. Which might not be a thing. Dude. You need to come a little bit more driver. I guess, okay. All right, I can't see. No. Watch that tree. All right, a little passenger. Just a teeny bit. Right there. Oh my God, it's so hard to see in the dark. Oh, those are springs popping. Oh God, y'all can't even see this. Kevin's a nutcase. There you go. Right there. Just try to keep climbing slow. Oh God. Oh God. Right there, cut, yeah, just perfect right there, Kev. That's the horn, right there, all right. Same thing, just come straight. Oh God, all right, passenger, there you go. Just go straight up, right there. Driver. It's so close. Back up right there. Bump it right there. Keep them straight ahead. Yeah. Woohoo! Oh God, careful. Yeah. Thank you.
High five.
Even with all those Jeeps and all those groups to choose from, Kevin and I somehow, once again, ended up behind at least 5 buggies because we're in the extreme group today, which means we're trying all the 5 diamond trails.
We only have to drive it 800 miles back home.
We only have to drive it, not even more than that. We're in East Texas now. We have to drive this thing all the way back home to Colorado. Oh, man. There's at least a couple other Jeeps in the group with us, along with the buggies, so we're not alone. We'll see how this goes. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a doozy.
Oh, I go far left.
Yeah, I think you can, Kev. I'm in a tree.
He's got that strong fender.
Trying to push it.
He's trying to drive up the tree and let it kick him out.
There it goes.
Hi, Rod.
Dang it.
Stay over there. Stay over there. There it is.
Oh, it's going. It's going. Whoa! Up the tree.
That's it. Go, straight out, straight out, straight out, straight out. Go! Back up. There we go. He's going perfect. Got the driver. Right, go.
Oh no! He's literally parallel parked between the trees now. There's one tree.
I want you to be my drive instructor.
Aside from rolling, this was probably like the worst case scenario.
Rear only.
Oh, there's the other tree.
Nothing too crazy. Passenger? Oh, wait. Now go. Is that it? There you go.
There you go.
Driver.
Driver.
All right,
Straight.
now passenger.
There you go.
Then
Perfect.
passenger. Fender. He's almost
You're almost past it.
He's
He's in the fender. Right there. There you go, you're off it.
right there.
Load it up.
Go.
Stay in it.
All right, do it again.
Right where you are. Oh, these rocks have like completely shifted from where they were like 30 minutes ago. There you go.
Guard passenger.
Passenger, passenger, passenger.
Passenger.
Back up a little, just a little.
Stay driver, back up.
Right there, maybe.
Right there.
Yeah, right there.
Hard passenger forward.
Use those arm muscles. There you go.
Driver.
Yeah. Drive. Is he on? Oh, he's on his rear diff. You're on the diff skid. I mean, you can try to bump past it.
Right there.
Stop,
right there.
stop.
Forward passenger bump.
Right about there, bump it. There you go. Keep coming, keep coming. Hard passenger, just climb
Hard
up.
passenger forward.
There you go. There you go. All right, stop, stop. Little passenger. All right, crawl. Now passenger. Right there. Oh, God. Hey, Kevin. No, you're fine. I was going to say, shut the Bestop. Kev, shut the Bestop. There you go.
Stop.
All right. There you go. I know it sounds weird. Driver. It sounds weird, but just turn driver. You're good. Turn it. Keep turning. There you go. All right, as you come up, turn straight passenger. Yeah. Woo! Keep going straight first. Straight. All right, now cut. Yes!
job.
Good job, babe. You know how many buggies you just pissed off? All of them.
That's awesome.
Yeah, good job, Kev.
Killer.
I brought a friend back into the Jeep with me. Kevin, he looks
He looks crazy, don't
he looks pretty nasty. I don't think I want to touch him with my hands. Give me something to grab him with. Wait. Come on. I don't want to touch you.
Oh, he's spiky.
Yeah, don't touch him, I know. Oh, God. Look at him. He's going to secrete something on my leg, and I'm going to burn like acid.
Hey, ready? Oh, he's holding on.
Yeah, I know. He's gripping me like hella tight.
Come on, buddy.
I can't see what you're doing.
Come on, buddy. Oh, no, he's on you.
Oh, God. Oh, God, he's got like a stinger or something. Watch. Ah! Go! All right, he's gone.
Oh, he had a freaking grip on you.
This is going to be interesting. Oh, God. Oh, God.
And it's going to feel nasty.
Oh, God. Oh, God.